Okay guys, welcome back to the Python strings training. So let's in the last lesson we saw what we can do with the variables. Now quickly I'm gonna delete this, yes, and then also clear my terminal. Good. Now let's say we have a variable assigned to name, let's say John. Yeah, and we want to print. So string characters in Python is just a bunch of characters. It's like a bunch of text, right? So while printing John, as I said in the last class, we can just run that, and yeah, it just gives us John. But at the same time, we can also have maybe John is a man. Let's make it longer, and then if we run that, you see it's giving us that sentence, John is a man. So there are a number of things you can do with the strings variable. As I said, we can convert maybe integer values into strings, and at the same time we can do, let's say we want to uh, have this sentence in the next line. Okay, so let me first grade this out, show you. Let's say we want to have this sentence, John is a man, and then put space there, and I say, and maybe I just say Jane. Let's say Jane is a woman. You see, everything here just is in one sentence, and if maybe I want to bring the other one below, we can use the backslash and tab, and then we run. You see it gives us two sentences in independent lines, where it says John is a man, and then below it's Jane is a woman. So that one, that backslash n is used to just give us a new line. And at the same time, let's say you want to have maybe another quote inside a sentence, and you're wondering how you can maybe have this quote, because already your character variables, your string characters are already in quotes. You might be using something like let me say maybe name2. These are second variables. I can say maybe something like you are, but now I want to use these. Okay, you are maybe 20 years old. Okay, and if I try to run that, I'm gonna get an invalid syntax error here. So here I just want to use maybe this single comma, single quote here, to just fulfill this sentence. How do I use it? So here I'll also bring in the aspect of the backslash, and then run my code. Now you can see, let us print name2 and see what we're getting here. You can say you are 20 years old. See, it has clearly printed that quotation here to form that sentence. So let's say you want, let me grade this name2 out so that we work with the first name. So let's say you want to have something like you want to change the case. So let me just have this as one sentence. Okay, so let me say you want to change, maybe you want to change your case into uppercase or lowercase in a sentence, or you can also want to confirm if it is uppercase. So we can say let me say we want to change this sentence, John is a man, into an uppercase. So when you're printing, you're gonna say name dot, then say upper. Okay, right, and then let us run our code. You can see here below. Let me just clear my timeline. It's my terminal is full. Then it's on again. You can see here now my sentence is in uppercase altogether. And let's say if our sentence here was uppercase, right? Everything here was uppercase. John is a man. And now we want to change into lower. So you're getting the trend. We'll just put that function there. Actually, a function in Python is just a bunch of codes that do a specific task. So you can see this function lower has changed this sentence into lowercase. At the same time, you might want to confirm if, let's say, a sentence is uppercase or not. Okay, here is going to bring a boolean value of true or false. So let's say you want to confirm if this sentence John is a man is uppercase or what. So we can say maybe you want to confirm if it is lower, so we can say name is lower, that function, and then if we run it, you see we are getting that it is false, meaning this sentence is not lower. But again, we can decide to first convert the sentence to lower. We can first decide to convert the sentence to lower, okay, and then check if it is lower. Yes, we can be able to do that, and in this case it will give us true. Okay, I think that. Okay, thank you guys for joining us. If you're new, kindly watch previous videos to catch up with us. We also have other videos for analysis. You can watch Excel, there's R, and if you haven't subscribed, let's subscribe, and let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.